The hidden cost of mining in India journey begins. From the dawn of civilization to the skylines of today, mining has fueled India's journey of progress. It powers our homes, builds our cities, and drives industries forward. But hidden beneath this progress lies a darker truth: shrinking forests, displaced families, polluted rivers, and fragile ecosystems pushed to the brink. In this video, we uncover the hidden cost of mining in India, its history, its advantages, its devastating impacts, and how artificial intelligence could become the key to building a sustainable future. Section 1: History and AMP. Advantages. Mining in India dates back to the Indus Valley Civilization, where copper and beads were extracted. The Arthashastra mentioned rules for mines as early as 300 BCE. During colonial rule, coal and iron ore mining expanded rapidly, powering railways and industries. Advantages today include energy security. Coal still produces most of India's electricity. Industrial growth. Iron ore, limestone, and bauxite drive steel, cement, and aluminum. Employment. Millions rely on mining directly or indirectly. Infrastructure. Roads, railways, and hospitals often follow mining projects. AI's role. Smarter exploration, safer robotics, and predictive tools to identify low-impact mining zones. Section 2: Environmental impacts. Mining creates serious ecological stress. Deforestation, vast forests cleared, wildlife habitats destroyed. Soil erosion, fertile land degraded, reducing farming potential. Water pollution, toxic runoff contaminates rivers and groundwater. Air pollution, dust and gases damage lungs and fuel climate change. AI solutions, satellites track deforestation, IoT sensors monitor air and water, and predictive models simulate long-term risks before projects begin. Section 3: Community impacts. The human cost of mining is equally severe. Displacement, tribal families lose ancestral homes and culture. Health hazards, dust causes asthma and lung disease, polluted water spreads illness. Livelihood loss, dependence on forests and farms leaves families vulnerable when resources vanish. AI support, AI-driven health vans, instant water testing kits, and data mapping to identify the most at-risk villages. Section 4: Case studies. Jharkhand, coal mines displaced Adivasi communities. Odisha, iron ore mining led to heavy deforestation and protests. Goa, illegal mining polluted rivers and damaged farming. Chhattisgarh, mining overlaps with biodiversity hotspots, sparking conflict. AI tools like drones, remote sensing, and community apps can detect illegal mining in real time. Section 5: Data snapshot. The scale of mining's impact is alarming. Over 2.5 million people displaced across India. Groundwater in mining belts often 10 times more polluted than safe limits. Mining biodiversity, showing a direct trade-off. AI dashboards transform such data into interactive maps and forecasts, guiding policymakers towards smarter decisions. Section 6: Sustainable solutions. Mining cannot be stopped entirely, but it can be made cleaner and fairer. Eco-friendly practices, reduce blasting, recycle water, manage waste. Renewable shift, reduce dependence on coal by boosting solar and wind. Restoration, replant forests and rehabilitate mined land. Corporate accountability, ensure industries follow strict and transparent norms. AI strategies, AI-guided reforestation, drone-based monitoring, and supply chain tracking for ethical mining. Conclusion regarding mining in India. Mining has long been the backbone of India's growth, lighting homes, fueling industries, and building infrastructure. But this progress has come at a heavy cost: poisoned rivers, lost forests, and millions displaced. Artificial intelligence cannot erase past damage, but it can reshape the future by monitoring ecosystems, predicting risks, restoring habitats, and protecting communities. The choice before us is clear: continue down the path of exploitation, or embrace sustainable progress that safeguards both people and the planet. Because true progress is not measured by what we take from the earth, but by what we leave behind for generations to come. True progress is when growth does not cost the future. Project credits: a project by Aryan Jaria, Anjali Kumari and Lucky Chaudhary, committed to spreading awareness about sustainable mining and AI-driven solutions for a better tomorrow.